Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super annoying: how to remove gum from your shoes.
Whether it's fresh chewing gum or dried up gum stuck on your sole, don't worry, I'll show you a few simple tricks to get gum off shoes quickly and safely.
Ice method. Alright, first up is the ice method.
This works great when the gum is fresh and sticky.
Take some ice cubes, put them in a plastic bag, and press it directly on the gum. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the gum hardens, you can easily scrape it off with a spoon, butter knife, or even a credit card. This trick is great for rubber soles and sneakers. Freezer method. If the gum is really stuck deep, especially on canvas shoes or soft material, try the freezer method. Put your shoe in a plastic bag, gum side out. Make sure the gum touches the plastic. Then, place it in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours. When you take it out, the gum should peel right off with the plastic or come off easily with a little scraping. Oil method. This next method uses oil. Yep, oil. You can use peanut butter, olive oil, or even WD-40. Just rub it on the gum gently and let it sit for a few minutes. The oil helps break down the gum, making it easier to remove. Use an old toothbrush or rag to scrub it off. Be careful with fabric shoes. Test a small spot first to make sure it doesn't stain. Cleaning and final tips. Once the gum is off, don't forget to clean your shoes. Use warm soapy water to get rid of any leftover gum or oil. Let your shoes dry completely before wearing them again. These methods work well on different shoe types, from leather shoes, running shoes, to everyday sneakers. And that's it. Now you know how to get gum off your shoes, whether it's fresh or dried. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tips. Got another sticky situation? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.